Namaste and welcome to India Yoga Arogya series. Today is one of the common problems with the seasonal problem also. A lot of people is facing this quite recently. Majority we can see between the middle age condition and later age condition is higher. Rheumatoid arthritis. Arthritis is one of the common right now. Rheumatoid arthritis you can see with a lot of different people today, and it's mild to intense. But if it's very intense, it always you have to follow the doctor's prescription. But always remember, arthritis also has a lot of connection with the stress. Whenever you get stressed, it is much more quickly attacks rather than the when relaxed person. And immune system is the other key requirement to improve it and make it better. And here the first practice what we giving to you, there are a lot of different techniques are there. You can do regularly Jalaneti, Sutraneti, Agnisara, Mukhadoti. This video is available in our the YouTube channel already, please follow that. Apart from that, other few techniques we can really work. The one is called Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is very simple yet very effective. Sit in any meditative position, spine uplifted and very relaxed, and make sure eyes gently closed, mouth too, face is relaxed, hand is comfortably placed on your thigh. Exhale actively, inhale passive, don't put any effort on the inhalation. Rapidly exhale that continuously, take your own speed. That can be varies the speed according to your comfort. You can do 30 strokes for a minute to 120 strokes for a minute speed, but you have to remember it has to be coordinated well. That's why don't rush. Initially go very slow and get the rhythm well. Once that is well, once you finished, just stop there and observe. After a minute to minute and a half later, stop and observe. Around 1 to 1.5 minutes, just keep observing. Breath almost stops completely, and you can repeat this 3 to 5 repetitions like this of a Kapalabhati. Once that is finished, then you can come up slowly and stand and work on your joints. See, the rheumatoid arthritis majorly applies the effects on all our joints, which can be easily helps. The first one is in the toes. You can take your hands on your waist and stretch your right leg front. If you necessary, you can also use the chair when you sit and do this. Give the toes movement, a gentle steady toes movement, and from there, after doing around 5 to 10 times, smoothly start rotating ankle clockwise, then anti-clockwise, around 5 to 10 repetition each. Once that is finished, release them. Softly bend the knee. Rest the palms on your knees and smoothly rotate your knee clockwise. Smoothly rotate. No rush, no pressure, no force. And from there, slowly come stand up straight, and if necessary, keep your legs wider or together, and spread the hands on your shoulder level. Spread the hands on your shoulder level. You can keep the feet together or wider, and give a finger movement. Fist it and smoothly stretch it. Fist it and stretch it around 5 to 10 times. Once that is finished, then keep the fingers very comfortable and start rotating your wrist clockwise. Around 5 to 10 repetition of that, and reverse back. The anti-clockwise another 5 to 10 repetition. From there, bend the elbow and bring your finger all the way to your shoulder as you then smoothly stretch it straight. Shoulder, then stretch it straight. That is again around 5 to 10, your comfort. Then start moving your shoulder as much as possible, front, down, back and up. Very smooth. Front, down, back, up. After repeating that, and reverse also the same movement into the reverse direction, around 5 to 10. Once that is finished, take your hands on the waist and keep your legs around shoulder distance wider. Relax your hands behind your back for few seconds. Just watch the breathing. After doing that, the next practice that's going to be really helpful is hands in and out breathing. It's very simple, Stretch the hands straight in front, palm gently pressing. As you inhale, smoothly spread it out. As you exhale, smoothly release. Looks so simple, it calms down the mind, calms down the neuromuscular system, and one of the powerful work for your immune system. The breath become harmonized, a lot of things it does. And do around 10 times of this. Once it's 10 finished, and slowly interlock your fingers and rest the palms on your chest. Elbows freely dropped. From here, as you inhale, smoothly interlock your fingers and stretch that. Get a good extension on your trunk. As you exhale, smoothly release. These two techniques also you can use the chair and do it. If you can't stand and do it, if you are finding difficult to, wherever you are sitting, you can also do this. Particularly you have to coordinate the breath with a beautiful stretch of the arms. And do around 10 times of that. Once it is finished, release it. And then the other thing is, you can always try this. It is whenever you have this, it's a Titliasana, where you can bring your feet together and gently hold your feet and give a light movement. In case back is hurts, you can always take your hands behind your back and give a light movement, no rush, no force, but palms gently pressing. That really helps. When you keep repeating this for around 10-15 times, and then stop and watch that. Okay? Stop and watch that. Then after that, smoothly hold the knee and softly stretch your legs straight. And here bend the knee. The other practice really helpful also, it is called Goumukh Asana. Initially, straight away going to Goumukh Asana is very difficult. So what you need, first fold your right leg below or outside of your left hip, as far as you can. Then bend your left knee as comfortably as you can. You may not able to do full like this, but you can try up to wherever your limits are. In this condition, take your right hand over your left thigh, left hand behind, and lift the spine with inhalation. Exhale and smoothly twist. Inhale and lift, exhale and smoothly twist. Keep doing around 5-10 breaths there. Then you can come back and slowly come front, and you can stretch your right hand up, left hand down. And if you are comfortable, lock your fingers, otherwise as much as you can, and stretch comfortably and stay for a few breaths here. Then after a few breaths, you can just go front there. The same, maintain the spine lengthy and hold it. You just breathe as far as comfortably you can. Once it's comfortable, and smoothly come back. First release the hands and smoothly release the legs, and repeat the same practice on the left side also without missing. Then the next practice, sit in any meditative position, a simple crossed legs, sitting on your heels, or Padmasana, whichever you are comfortable, but spine is uplifted. And then it's very important practice. There are a lot of pranayama can help. Nadi Shuddhi can help you, a full yogic breathing will help you, and Surya Bedana Pranayama will help you. But you can choose. If you have a good teacher, you can learn few of this and you can apply in a daily life. But one of that very important also, it is the Brahmari Pranayama. What do you need to do? Take your index into the ear and raise the elbow slightly, and spine uplifted, and relax your face. Inhale smooth and long, while exhaling produce a sound up in a humming bee, like in a bee coming from somewhere and turning on your head and going away. Repeat this Brahmari Pranayama around 20 to 30 repetitions, or around 5 to 10 minutes in a continuous process, and after that at least watch around 3 to 5 minutes the vibration. And also there are many other techniques you can do. You can Shavasana will be helpful, Bhastrika will be helpful, but to start or begin, this is good enough, and gradually develop, if possible, 3 times a day, and you see the changes very quickly and a good relief. But one thing always remember, the arthritis can more affect you when you really quickly stressed out, and other thing where is the change in the weather, both is the major time one can affected with arthritis. And take care, and we will come back with more details of the different other health issues soon. And if you liked it, you can share with your friends and family members. And thank you, and looking forward to see you in the next video.